Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Civil Services and Aspiration. So today is 31st July 2020 and firstly let's see the history of the day. So on this day means on 31st July in 1948 the USS ship Nevada was sunk during a naval exercise. It was the only American warship that survived the Second World War following the attack on Pearl Harbor. It was also chosen as the central target for nuclear testing. So this is the history of the day. Now let's see the current affairs questions. So the first question is, which district tops NITI Delta ranking of aspirational districts for Feb to June 2020 in health sector? स्वास्थ्य के क्षेत्र में फरवरी 2020 के लिए एस्पिरेशनल जिलों की नीति की डेल्टा रैंकिंग में किस जिले को सबसे ऊपर रखा गया है? एंड द आंसर इज छत्तीसगढ़ बीजापुर डिस्ट्रिक्ट. लेट मी टेल यू अबाउट नीति आयोग दैट इट्स चेयरमैन इज नरेंद्र मोदी, means the prime minister, and CEO is Amitabh Kant, and its headquarter is located in New Delhi. Now moving towards second question. So who signed an agreement with the Indian Institute of Technology Kanpur in order to provide training, research and entrepreneurship development in smart grid technology? स्मार्ट ग्रिड प्रौद्योगिकी के प्रशिक्षण, अनुसंधान और उद्यमिता विकास प्रदान करने के लिए भारतीय प्रौद्योगिकी संस्थान कानपुर के साथ किसने समझौता किया है? एंड द आंसर इज PFC, means Power Finance Corporation, and its aim is to provide support for the IIT Kanpur to develop the infrastructure of the research and development on smart grid technology. Now the third question is, which ministry is going to be renamed as the Ministry of Education? किस मंत्रालय का नाम बदलकर शिक्षा मंत्रालय रखा जाएगा? And the answer is Ministry of Human Resource Development, and the cabinet approved National Education Policy 2020 by replacing the National Education Policy of 1986 with many guidelines. Now the fourth question is, Cabinet approves MOU, Memorandum of Understanding between which two countries on traditional system of medicine and homeopathy? कैबिनेट ने पारंपरिक चिकित्सा पद्धति और होम्योपैथी पर किन दो देशों के बीच समझौता ज्ञापन को मंजूरी दी है? एंड द आंसर इज इंडिया एंड जिम्बाब्वे, एंड द ऑब्जेक्टिव ऑफ द MOU is to promote traditional system of medicine and homeopathy between two nations on the basis of equality and mutual benefit. Now the fifth question is, what is the name of UNICEF first report on health crisis? स्वास्थ्य संकट पर यूनिसेफ की पहली रिपोर्ट का नाम क्या है? एंड द आंसर इज द टॉक्सिक ट्रुथ, children's exposure to lead pollution undermines a generation of future potentials. Now the sixth question is, which country to become world's first large scale chemical production plant to completely run on renewable energy? कौन सा देश अक्षय ऊर्जा पर विश्व का पहला बड़ा पैमाने पर रासायनिक उत्पादन संयंत्र बनने वाला है? एंड द आंसर इज स्पेन इज गोइंग टू बिकम द फर्स्ट इन द world. Now the last question is, name the first solar powered ferry of India which got the first India Gises Electric Boat Award. भारत की पहली सौर ऊर्जा संचालित फेरी का नाम क्या है जिसे प्रथम इंडिया गुसिस इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स बोट पुरस्कार मिला है? And the answer is Aditya is the name, and India's first and largest solar powered ferry won the Gustave Trove Award under the Excellence in Electric Boat Design for Paying Passengers category. Now let me tell you the answers of yesterday questions which I have asked from you. So the first question was, which e-commerce company has launched a hyperlocal 90-minute delivery service? And the answer is Flipkart has launched this. And the second question which I have asked was, when is World Hepatitis Day observed? And the answer is on 28th July, Hepatitis Day is observed. So this is the answers of yesterday questions. Now let me give you the questions for today which you have to answer in the comment section. So the first question is, as per a new study, 1 in 3 children worldwide are threatened by high level of which chemical element in their blood? And the second question is, Prime Minister Narendra Modi jointly inaugurated the new Supreme Court building of which nation on July 30, 2020? So this is the questions for today. If you know the answers, please do tell in the comment section. Otherwise, tomorrow I will tell you in the next video. Till then, thank you for watching our video, and if you like it, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel for more updates.